A day before the official start of spring, bright orange bloomed today on Route 51 and the Elizabeth Bridge. The 4-lane bridge is now down to 2 lanes as reconstruction begins. John Shumway has the story.
Descending to the Mon River on Route 51, drivers are suddenly finding a rude interruption to their daily routine.
It's going to be a single lane in each direction.
Which means until folks get used to the new pattern,
that we're going to see some delays running through there. So obviously in the mornings when you're trying to get to work.
Turns out the Elizabeth Bridge needs about $30 million worth of work.
Bridge deck replacement, they're going to have a latex overlay, there's going to be steel repairs, they're going to be painting the entire structure, the expansion dams, they're going to be pulling them out, putting new ones in.
So as the folks from Swank Construction do the facelift, removing the center barrier first, drivers are going to be pushed to the sides.
Right now, motorists are seeing channelizers, but we're going to put concrete barrier in there once they pull the middle barrier out.
Those barriers are going to make it feel like a bobsled chute, but PennDOT says the lanes are going to be a full 12 feet wide.
I wish I could tell you this one-lane situation is going to be temporary, but it's not. In fact, it'll be this way until late November. Then they'll take the winter off and come back and do it all again next year, the entire project wrapping up before Thanksgiving 2019. In West Elizabeth, John Shumway, KDKA-TV News.